So last session we finished with leave it and impulse control around food. Now Willow isn't too bothered about food, leave, right? And we were doing this Willow, come. Yes! We were doing this exercise where we walk at the ball, we go leave it, and we go around it. And she's doing that really, really well. Now, I know she isn't that interested in food, but I don't want to move straight to something really difficult. So instead, I've got a few little tricks up my sleeve. So for example, this fish moves. Yeah, I did one rep already, so she knows what to expect. So I'm gonna put the fish down. I'm gonna do the exact same exercise. I'm gonna walk at the fish. I'm gonna go leave it and go around. Now you might be thinking, that's too easy. Leave. Yes. And I reward when she leaves it alone. I go again. Leave it. Good girl. Nice work. Now I'm gonna make it difficult. And I'm gonna make the fish move. Leave. Alright. Leave it. Good girl. Now I did a few reps with her before the camera was on. So she's learned that. There we go. That's what I want you to see. Again, we go at it. We say leave it. Good. And we're just gonna keep repping this until I get no response on this fish. If I cannot do that with something as simple as this thing, there's no way I can do it with a cat. Now, I can't just bring cats to work. I don't have any. So this is what we'll go with. Nice. So now she's getting over it. Good job. I also have a snake. Again, we start while the snake is not moving. Hello, come. A few reps. She hasn't seen this yet. Yeah, I go leave. She doesn't really care because she doesn't know that this is about to start moving. Yes. All right. Oh, I do. What work is this? Leave it. Wait. Now this is something like nope. Leave it. Wait. Go around it. Now, if she's not gonna my bottle doesn't work. Terrible. Now, if this behavior continues, where I kind of lose control, she doesn't care for the leash, she doesn't care for the spatial pressure because she kind of goes into prey drive, that's when my trusty spray bottle comes in. And now when I get the growling, the barking, the lunging towards the snake, I'm going to correct that with a spray bottle. Let's see how we go. Hello. Wait. I'm walking at it. No. Good girl. And then I reward her for doing the right thing. Right? A correction is never standing on itself, but I just told her in a way she understands, I don't want you to do this. Can do that again. There. Leave it. Good girl. Yeah, and now I hope you can see that we didn't go too wide. She is showing avoidance. Because I want her to avoid this thing. One more time. Good girl. Yes. That's nice. Again, leave it. Go down, snake. No. I wasn't ready for that. I hope that's on video. Stay. Yes. Good. One more run. Leave it. Good job. I don't mind curiosity. I don't mind overreact. I don't want overreacting. Leave. Good girl. Leave it. Nice. So now you see the power of one correction to stop that forward impulse that she's constantly trying to hunt and chase things. Good job. Now I used one. I'm gonna put the snake away. Leave it. Hello? Now we have a fake cat. Same routine. Leave. Yes. Good. Yes. Good job. Yeah, and remember, I'm always in between the trigger and the dog. Leave it. Good girl. Now this cat does turn on, but the battery is flat. And I think for now we've done enough with the cat. Nice recall. Come on. Yes, good job. Right. I would usually now put the cat on, but the batteries are dead and I didn't realize until now. So we'll practice that maybe tomorrow with the owners present. So that's how I start with introducing triggers, instead of going straight for a cat or a dog.